I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more notifications. Oh, and don't forget to set the reminder for my premieres.
Hey cousin and pal? Do you guys know what you want to eat?
I do. What about you, RKG, HMM? Yeah, I do.
Awesome.
My name is SpongeBob, and I will be your waiter for today. And can I get it all started with some drinks?
We will take 2 Cherry Cokes and 1 Sprite, please.
Oh, I'll be right back with your drinks. And here's your drinks, 2 Cherry Cokes and 1 Sprite.
Thank you.
And are you all ready to order?
Yes.
Okay, and what will you guys be having?
We will have 1 large Krabby Patty pizza.
Oh, we'll get that out now. And here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was a really good pizza, right, pal and cousin? Yes, it was. Was that you, pal, that just sneezed? Yes. Wow. I didn't hear you sneeze earlier. But why did you sneeze now?
I would agree with RKG.
Well, I don't really know why I would sneeze after coming out of the restaurant. We see. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We'll see you all in the next video. This is Cassie, RKG, Cindy and SpongeBob signing off.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Have a good day.